Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a first impressions video for you guys. I don't know if you guys can guess what it is already, but I'll give you a hint. My hair is damp, I got no makeup on, and so we are trying out a hair care product. So I actually purchased today the Dyson Airwrap Complete, and I'm going to try it out for you guys. So this is I think it's like curling iron, straightening brush type hybrid hair styling tool. I either had the option to get this or the curl straightener or the blow dryer, and I opted for this just because I am not very good at blow drying my hair with a round brush, and I think you can straighten it with a brush here, so I'm really curious to try that. And I'm not good with a curler at all, so maybe that will force me to actually try to learn how to curl my hair with this. Well, it looked pretty simple. If you don't know, this retails for $4.99, I believe, or maybe like $5.29. Actually, let me look this up right now. So the Airwrap Complete retails for $5.49. I believe the other Airwrap kits, depending on if you have fine hair versus like thick and frizzy hair, retail for $4.99. Anyways, I bought this through Best Buy, and it has the attachments for all different kinds of hair. Okay, so this is special because it has intelligent heat control, measures the air temperature over 40 times per second to prevent extreme heat damage, which can be super detrimental if you use hot tools a lot. So you can also use a smoothing brush, which uses a coanda effect to attract hair to the surface of the brush, propelling air along the hair strands to mimic a stylish blow dry technique. This is what I'm most interested in, just because I'm not good with a round brush and a blow dryer, and it has negative ions to help reduce the static in the hair, quick release, and cool touch tip, which allows you to quickly change the attachment after styling, and a storage case to protect and store your Dyson Airwrap styler. And this has 3 speeds, 4 heat settings, the color fuchsia nickel for all hair types, coiled, curly, straight, and wavy. It comes with clockwise and counterclockwise Airwrap barrels, and 1.2 inch and 1.6 inch anti-slip mat, the Airwrap styler, filter cleaner brushes, ionizer, leather box, owner's manual, removable filter cage, and soft smoothing and firm smoothing round brushes, I think. And I purchased this through Best Buy. Alright, so I'm going to open her up. I am not sure if I can use this as like a blow dryer type device yet, just because my hair is wet. So if I can't, I'm going to be pretty disappointed, because literally the only blow dryer I have right now is a mini travel one. So I usually air dry my hair all the time. Oh, I almost forgot. So this is the box. It's pretty heavy, and it gives you like all the different attachments, as well as like the different use cases for the attachments. But also selling points, the coanda to curl, coanda to smooth, the fast high pressure motor, and protecting your hair from heat damage, and then just another side profile of all the attachments you get in here, and the Airwrap. So yeah, I'm going to bust into this if I can. Kind of hard to open it with nails. I've never tried a Dyson hair care product, believe it or not. Actually, you can probably believe it because I never do my hair. But I have the Dyson V11 stick vacuum, and that is phenomenal. I love that. Super easy to use, super handy, because I have a dog that likes to rip toys up, and I gotta clean up after that. So I'm gonna slide this out. So this is pretty heavy, not gonna lie. This is the case it comes in. Pretty big, very nice. It says Dyson on the top. I'm just gonna open her up. So when we open it like this, when we open it like that, I think this is like, I'm not sure what this is actually. Maybe heating mat, or I don't know. I'll throw it over here for now. Here are some like instructions, some tips for the curling portion, and then this is all the tools and the Airwrap. So I'm going to see if there are any instructions for how to use the round brush, and then I will check it out. Some more packaging. What's in this box? I think this is to clean it. I'm not quite sure. Pull the Airwrap out. Oh, and these are the instructions. I'm just gonna plug this in right now. And here she is. Oh, that was not smart. There's a sticker right here. This is not going well for me. Here it is. Ooh. I don't know what to think about this. Okay. I need to read the instructions. Everything is nicely packed. Okay, let's see. Thank you for buying the Dyson Airwrap Styler. You're welcome, Dyson. I'm not curling my hair today. We are just trying to blow dry it and straighten it. Oh, this is the non-slip mat. And this is the filter cleaning brush. Not a whole lot on the brush heads. So I think this, let me pull this out. So this is the pre-styling dryer. So I think I'm just gonna plug this in and start drying my hair. I don't think I'm supposed to use it on like wet hair completely. This is the airflow right here. Little fan, as well as the temperature control. 2 heat settings plus a cold setting to finish your style. Oh, and this will actually, if you slide this up, you can get a cold shot too. This is to power it. So I'm just gonna get right into this. My dog is watching me and he does not like this at all. And he's still walking over here, buddy. You're not gonna like this. Yeah, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna put this on the lowest heat setting. As you can tell, I really don't style my hair at all because I don't even have like a brush to use with the dryer attachment. So we're just gonna keep at this. Well, I forgot to mention my curl type is 2A, meaning I have like looser, wavier curls. They're a bit straighter, so if that helps you guys. So I think my hair is mostly dry now. Still a little bit damp. But now I'm going to test out the brush. So I think one of these brushes is if you have like fine hair but want a little bit more volume, and the other brush head is if you have like thick hair and want it a bit more like straight and sleek. I forget which one it is, so I need to Google that and try and figure that out. Okay, so I think I need the sperm smoothing brush. I think that this one, without like the little bumps at the bristle tips, is the firm smoothing one. I don't know if it says this anywhere, but yeah, we're going to go with this. Okay, so now comes the fun part. I'm going to eject this. I'm going to connect this. Do I connect it like this? Yep, I guess. Oh my gosh. And here we go, I guess. This is good for now, and then I'm just gonna blast some cool air through it too. And I think I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit of Hask Argan Oil Repairing Shine Hair Oil. Work it through my hair. And this is it for my finished look. Except there's not makeup this time, it's just hair. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super happy with this. So like I said before, I'm not good at using a round brush and a blow dryer to do my hair. And I love to have like a straighter look occasionally, even though like I love my curls, don't get me wrong, but like sometimes I want to look a bit more smooth and sleek. And this looks phenomenal. Of course, it's not completely straight. Could have been a bit of user error on my end. Probably could have gone over these sections a bit more. But you know, for what it is, I think it's worth it to me, at least. So I've never been able to do this like so effortlessly and easily, and literally this took like 20 minutes. And I know if I was doing this with a regular blow dryer and a straightener, I would be at this for probably 20 minutes with the blow dryer and then probably another half hour with the straightener, just because I have a lot of hair and I don't move fast and I like to section it off. But like, yeah, I love the way this turned out. I think I'm gonna make a separate video testing out the actual curling mechanism, the air wrapping, just because I feel like I still have a lot to learn and experiment with. And if I can figure out the curling using this, like, game changer, absolute game changer, because I've never been able to figure out a curling wand or a curling iron. Like, all the school dances I went to, I had a hairdresser do my hair, I had friends do my hair. I would not, nope, not touch any of the hot tools. But yes, I am really pleased with this. I think this alone for me is worth the $5.49 that it cost, just because like I love the way it looks. I've never been able to do this. Maybe I just wasn't looking at the right tools, but Dyson is such good quality. I have the vacuum, so I am a strong proponent of the brand and the products, and I know I will have this for a long time. I just love that I could use it kind of as like blow dryer and then like as straightening brush or a curler. Right, so that is it for my first impressions of the Dyson Airwrap Complete, using the firm smoothing brush attachment to achieve this easy blowout. I am so happy with this, actually. I'm thrilled, and the amount of time it took, like I might actually start blowing out my hair more often, so I really miss having like a straighter hair look. So yes, I will make another video using the Airwrap barrels, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina, and I upload 2 to 3 times a week, and it's so nice to meet you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.